Hello, welcome to my Self-Promotion and Packaging 2 video. The module is structured by 4 questions which focuses on creating various self-promotional items, which includes a promotional plan, resume and cover letter, a blog and a print-on-demand item. Personal self-promotional plan. In this question I started with identifying my main goals to create direction for my promotional plan. My main goal is to gain employment working with lifestyle and technology products. I created a SWOT analysis which identified my strengths and weaknesses. The promotional plan will focus on my strengths. This will create my unique selling proposition. My unique selling proposition is an experienced landscape architect turned graphic designer with diverse transferable skills. I will market my USP through traditional and digital promotional channels such as job sites, recruitment agencies and design studios. The marketing plan identifies Maslow's hierarchy of needs which structures current skills needed to fulfill employers' needs. By using the 5-step agile process, I created a first-person approach to my plan, which identified a niche within the target audience. I used micro-marketing to target effectively suitable employment. I then created a marketing plan and budget which focuses on gaining employment, mainly to create a portfolio both physical and through social media. Business communication for job search. In this question I started by identifying with what a resume and cover letter should include for the design. I created a mind map which identifies the design to be minimalist and bold. It will also reflect my brand identity. My brand identity reflects Zen gardens and architecture. It uses colour of water and cherry trees to reflect the Eastern philosophy of peace and minimalism. Thumbnail sketch designs experimented with form and layout of the resume. The selected resume has strong contrast and reflects my brand identity the clearest. The final design has good hierarchy, focusing on my experience and education. The design also works well in black and white because of the strong contrast. For the brochure, the poster fold was selected because it provides the most efficient use of space for the resume and cover letter. Sketch designs was created to identify the most clearest and focused layout. The aim of the design was to reflect my brand identity while being functional. Final design uses sequence of folds to gradually display the details. The design is playful but retains the function of a resume through infographics and icons. For the video I wanted to reflect a playful minimalist style through an animated sequence. The mind map identified a key theme of gaming and travelling. The concept of the video is a personal design journey which takes viewers through the past and history of my experience and qualifications. The journey will go through different scenes and scenery to reflect diversity and adventure. Details and information are animated into view through a sequence of frames to create continuity to reflect travelling and history. Personal blog and its promotion. For the blog I wanted to convey my previous experience as a landscape architect and how it relates to my current transition into a graphic designer. The blog describes and compares the key differences between the two professions. It provides insights and my personal opinions on the subject to engage readers to find out more. The blog format uses a fluid layout which is designed for mobile devices first, then desktop devices to enable a clearer, more functional layout. For the main image I wanted to create a focus piece which visualizes a landscape design example with the potential for moving elements to create a cinematograph. 3 images was used which displays the contrast of a realistic rendering with 2 hand-drawn visualizations to define the creative skill of a landscape architect. The blog design is minimalist with a grid layout to create unity and functionality. The images engages viewers with strong focus concepts. The blog was reformatted into a Twitter post with cinematograph which animates the clouds and the water feature to engage viewers. The blog was developed into a 3D design piece which can be folded to enhance the blog. The design process started with the selection of 2 motif folds and experimentation of each fold to find the best design. The final design uses contrast and 3D folds to create a sequential design piece which creates an icon through the sculptural paper folds. Online marketplaces. The initial idea was to create a custom PS5 plate which uses video game art to change the theme of the console. The artwork concept is to create a themed hand-drawn character with influences to animate to create a design piece to reflect the latest games. The final design creates a strong theme and uses the PS5's white space to enhance the artwork. The design is sustainable and can be easily transferred to other consoles for a wider market appeal. To conclude, this module has developed some key skills. It raises the importance of a self-promotional plan. It shows how a resume can be a promotional design piece. I discovered how to create a video to market myself. I also discovered how to create a blog to market my own opinions and views. And I used print on demand as an opportunity to market my own visual designs to generate income. Thank you.